Hi everybody, it's Chloe and I am so excited to be filming today's video. It has been a long process getting all these things, but I have finally accumulated, I think, everything I'm pretty much gonna get. So this is going to be my YouTube gear or equipment haul. I don't really know what else to call it. So the first thing, this is a flexible tripod and this is by On, and I got this at Walmart. It looks like this. Oops. And it's it moves and stuff, and it's basically a cheap version of the GorillaPod, and it was like 17 bucks at Walmart. And I think the Joby GorillaPod is like $50, and I'm not gonna pay that much for a tripod. And I actually found this one that's $17, and it literally does the same thing. Okay, I just pinched myself. All the legs move so you can grip it. Next, I got the Snowball mic. I have been looking at this for so long. This is actually more for live streaming, because my camera mic isn't really, my computer mic isn't really that good, so I wanted to invest in a nicer, higher quality mic. It also comes with a stand, so I can just sit it on the desk while I'm live streaming. Also, while we're talking about live streaming, I also got the Logitech, what is this? C920. It shoots in 1080p, so, because my camera on my computer isn't that good either, so now I have, better quality video and better quality audio, so, yes, and I want to do a lot more live streaming things. Next, I got this, which is going to be kind of hard to show in camera, but it's basically the newer boom arm mic stand thing. So it just clamps to the desk, and you can kind of move it around. This part right here you can connect to a mic. I actually had to it comes with a little piece to connect a normal mic, but since I want to put this on it, I actually found a video that teaches you how to connect the Snowball mic to a arm mic stand. So when you get the, which I will leave in the description box if any of you guys are interested, if you have this and you have this and you want to connect them or whatever. But basically there's this little piece, and you just take it out and then you can screw those in there and it'll stay. So that way I can have the mic up in case I'm doing a flat lay live stream, when I watercolor or whatever. That way it will be out of the way on the desk. And with that also came this, what's it called? I think it's a softener or something, but basically you just put this in front of the mic and it kind of softens the audio, I think. It also comes with a clamp, and you just clamp it on. This just came with it. I didn't really think of ordering this, but it was an extra, so I just got it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is the Canon T6i. This is my new baby. Oh my gosh, I am in love with it already. I am so excited. This is literally my dream camera for so long, and this is amazing. And it has a flip screen, so I can see when I'm recording. It's going to give me better quality. I've filmed with an iPad for 3 years, and I just wanted to up my quality, and yeah, so it was time. I also got the Rode mic. I'm not sure which version this is. I did order this camera off of Mercari. This is actually the 4th camera I've ordered. Oh my god, it was such a long process getting a camera. But yeah, so it also came with this. Okay, can I not? It also came with this, but I'm not sure which model this is. But basically all it does is it slides right in there. And so she sent this, which is okay, whoa, can I not hold anything? It's a flash. It's a flash. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use it. It's from Sunpack. I'm not really sure what this is, but again, this was just one of the extras that she was selling with the camera, so I just bought it, or I just you know, because I bought the camera, so I bought that. It also came with this, which is, I'm not even sure. What is this? Ultra 58mm. I'm not really sure what this is. I'm gonna Google it after this video, but. And then it also came with this thing, which was like in it. I honestly don't know what this is. I don't even remember her including that. But, and then it also came with this bag. This bag is from Pro. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but it was just all packaged in that. I got two, what are these? SanDisk Ultra Plus, memory cards, 64 gigabytes. They actually had a really good sale at Best Buy. Each of these were $20. They're normally 60 or 80. They're normally 80. I got each of them for 20. Then I also got the Pelican. This is like a waterproof hard case that you can put all types of SD cards in. They have 6 slots for these tiny ones. Like I'm not sure what they're called, but they have 6 slots for the super tiny ones, and then 6 slots for the medium ones, and then 12 for the bigger ones. They just fit in there like that because I lose everything, and if these were on their own, I would lose them in a heartbeat. So I just wanted to have this, and it's also waterproof, and you never know what's gonna happen. Yes, that is all of the gear I got. I'm so excited to start using the new camera. Oh my god, I'm living. I can't believe I finally got it. It's so pretty. Like, look at this. Oh my god.